Hello viewer. So Laravel database merge. So one database to another database. How to get your data, how to convert your data, or to set up or insert your data another database to one database to another database. How to insert your data. So firstly set up your env. Here is the first your main database, and the second database need to use the second database username, password, and port everything. So now set the config.database config/database.php. Here also MySQL put, and second MySQL also put MySQL second. So here you can put now server config case clear, then test your second database connection. How to connect this? So this is the db and put data db connection MySQL second. When you put here tables customer list and get data, it's working or not. So now our customer demanded to me the last 7 days data he needs. So in this data now 7 days connect, and db booking list last 7 days, also connection second database booking list upsert to this data, and put this data marked one is successfully. Simple merge customer data, customer also connection this also connected, and insert the this database. So run the root for testing. So merge data, this data booking list, and to check this database is working or not. Merge completed. So now when you set up the merge data to check works or not, so in this way we can check this database. So thank you, best of luck. Why I use the FlyEnv, this is the very easy to use and the best solution for the instead of Laravel. He who is seeking free local development, you can use the FlyEnv. So check the FlyEnv all. This is the interface. So interface is super fast and super easy and best for you, where everything you need here, everything there is, everything tools, this Rust menu and search and instant search, FTP, Numa, DNS server, mailport, RNS, etcd, console, so Redis, RabbitMQ, everything you need. So everything here, my PostgreSQL, MySQL, MongoDB, MariaDB, G, Rust, Ruby, Python, PHP, Perl. So everything what you need. So I am using normally Apache application. Here also PHP. Click the PHP. Click the PHP and MySQL server open. So everything is working fine. So here you implemented, so this is the MySQL. So I am running the local server. So here when you click php my admin.test, so I am storing this data db. So this is opening now. So like I am a single, so this is my database, also username, also the you can easily change the username, also set password or randomly. So how to set up this system? So here I am putting saving this, no need to store here, I am stopping this. So this, so FlyEnv comes here MySQL. How to another database? Click the manage, also add a database. So here you can put the database. So this is the database system. So you can put password, you can generate the password, randomly change username, also db name. You can put everything what you want, that's username, also the database. So Laragon or others local environment, here is the root, the default username automatically set up. So so here you can change anything, what you change, also password what you need to set. So this is the very amazing for you. So you can use the FlyEnv. So here also PHP, I actually I used the last 5 years the Laragon. I am using the Laravel, PHP, WordPress, this type of sources. So FlyEnv is the best option for me. So thank you. If you want to use, so you can use this. Thank you.